Can HBAR reach the price of $1 during the next bull run? I think so. And even though that isn't financial advice, let me explain several reasons why I believe that could very well happen. First of all, when it comes to HBAR, I do believe that it has such an excellent use case. And when it comes to HBAR, what is it, right? HBAR is the native cryptocurrency that is used to power the Hedera Hashgraph network. And when it comes to the Hedera Hashgraph network, I do believe that it is very special. And let me explain why. Hedera Hashgraph actually does not use blockchain technology. Instead, it uses another distributed ledger technology, otherwise known as a decentralized acyclic graph. And what a decentralized acyclic graph does is that it allows all nodes to freely share information with one another and timestamps all of these transactions. And this sending of messages between nodes is otherwise known as gossiping. And when it comes to gossiping, it is the basis of the Hedera Hashgraph consensus algorithm, which, by the way, uses something called an asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance. And what this basically means right here is that there is no specific time in which all nodes need to reach a consensus on a set of transactions. An asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance is a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism where there is no block time, and the reason for that is because there is no blockchain. In the Hashgraph consensus, all nodes gossip messages to each other at random, and the information travels very quickly. And this right here makes it possible to achieve consensus about a transaction in only just 3 to 5 seconds, which I think is very impressive. Hashgraph technology actually has several advantages over traditional blockchain technology. First of all, Hashgraph technology is more secure, it's faster, and it also offers improved scalability as well. Hashgraph technology could prove to be such an excellent alternative to traditional blockchain technology. So with that being said, I do think it's fair to assume that the Hedera Hashgraph network is something truly special. However, it doesn't end there, because when it comes to the Hedera ecosystem, I do believe that it is something very spectacular, and let me show you what I'm talking about. For example, Hedera currently has over 80 Web3 applications, which I think is very astonishing. And also on top of that, Hedera also has over 50 enterprise applications as well, which in my opinion is absolutely mind-blowing. Despite Hedera's relatively young age, it has been able to accomplish so much already. And also, I would like to mention how when it comes to Hedera, I do believe that it is focused on all the right industries. For example, if we take a look at this, we will see that Hedera moving forward is going to be heavily focused on payments, DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized identity. And when it comes to payments, DeFi, NFTs, and decentralized identity, I do believe that these 4 markets right here have such tremendous potential. And let me show you why I think so. First of all, when it comes to digital payments, the global digital payment market is actually expected to be worth $188.2 billion by 2028. So clearly there is a lot of potential there. And also on top of that, when it comes to NFTs and DeFi, there is a lot of data that shows how they could also be very massive industries moving forward. For example, if we take a look at the DeFi market by 2031, it's actually expected that the DeFi market is going to be worth over $398 billion. And I think that right there is very astonishing. However, what I think is even more astonishing is the NFT market. The NFT market by 2030 is expected to be worth up to $3.5 trillion. I mean, just imagine that, right? However, last but not least, when it comes to the identity verification market, that's expected to be worth $55 billion by 2032. So with that being said, overall, in my opinion, I do believe that Hedera is focused on all the right industries. And I think that moving forward, projects that are focused on the payments market, the DeFi, NFT, and identity verification market will prosper in such a fantastic way. And I think Hedera is doing the right thing by being focused on these 4 markets. So overall, when I consider just how special the Hedera Hashgraph network is, I truly do believe that during the next bull run, HBAR will have no issues going to the price of at least $1. And here's the thing, right? When I say that, some of the Hedera haters out there, they may think, oh wow, I can't believe you think HBAR is going to go to the price of $1. Oh, that's so crazy, that's so ridiculous, that's so unrealistic. But in my opinion, I don't think it's crazy, I don't think it's ridiculous, and I don't think it's unrealistic. And let me show you why I think so. If HBAR were to reach the price of $1 with its current circulating supply of 63%, if it were to do that, it would only have a market cap of $31.5 billion. And now, $31.5 billion, it may seem crazy to some people, but in the world of cryptos, it's actually not that much. Just think about this, right? In 2021, a meme coin by the name of Dogecoin actually had a market cap of over $88 billion. So when you think about it, if HBAR were to reach the price of $1, again, right, with its current circulating supply, its market cap would be over $50 billion less than what Dogecoin reached just around 2 years ago. If HBAR would need a $1 trillion market cap to reach $1, a $2 trillion market cap to reach $1 or something crazy like that, then yeah, I get why that's unrealistic. But again, right, $31.5 billion, I don't think is too much to ask for in the world of cryptos, especially for something as special as HBAR. In the past, we have seen many cryptocurrencies reach a market cap of $31.5 billion and beyond, with far less fundamentals than HBAR. So with that being said, I don't think HBAR will have any issues reaching the price of $1. And even though this video is not meant as an invitation to buy, sell, or trade cryptos, even though that is not the case whatsoever, with that being said, I am still very bullish on HBAR, and I think that it has such a tremendous future ahead. And if you want to check out a very interesting video, make sure to go ahead and click on this thumbnail right here. It's a very fantastic video, and I think you all would really love it.